latex foam rubber. It's about an inch. About an inch. Probably it's about an inch over the cotton batting layer. So you have the burlap with some metal rods. Just gotta hold it in its place. One thick sheet of cotton batting, the 1-inch layer of firm foam. This is the actual pin core latex foam rubber. Disintegrates with time. That's what it is. 1955 Chevy pickup truck, original seat. Those are the coil springs, 4 front to back, possibly about 12 left to right, maybe 13. And it's a 7-inch boxed finished edge, 7 inches. Stump Knocker Garage showing another video. This one is the seat structure of the 55 Chevy pickup truck. Original fabric on the top and vinyl on the sides. Here's the bottom half. It's got that one tiny spring here to hold this bar in place. In my case, I'm going to have to fix these bolts, which are the ones that hold the backrest from going all the way back. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like the videos. Stump Knocker Garage. Thank you.